Today we will start the new exercise, that is exercise 5.2. Now in this exercise we will deal with worded problems. First of all, one statement is given in the worded problem. We will have to make the equation from that statement and then we have to find the value of the unknown variable. Okay, we यहाँ पे पहला क्वेश्चन देखो आपके स्क्रीन पे है, exercise 5.2. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the number. ओके, तो मुझे बोलो, डू यू नो द नंबर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी, डू यू नो द नंबर? नो, we don't know the number, huh? So we will assume that number as x. Okay, so we will assume that number as x. So what we will write at the start here, let the number be x, let the number be x. Okay, तो sum of 3 टाइम्स अ नंबर, मुझे पहले बोलो आपका नंबर अगर x है उसका 3 टाइम्स क्या होगा फिर? यस, बोलो कलश, व्हाट विल बी
Yes,
द,
sir.
व्हाट विल बी द 3
Sir,
टाइम्स?
3 times of x is 3x. So, sir, first we will form the equation, that is 3x plus 11. Sir, first we will say that 3 times of number we consider as x, and the second is 11. So, sir, equation is 3x plus 11 is equal to 32.
3 times the number will be equal to 3x. Okay,
Yes, sir. So, sir, equation is 3x plus 11. Sir, then 3x plus 11. Sir, variable one side, constant one side. Sir, where 11 is less, it will shift to RHS in minus 3x is equal to 32 minus 11 is equal to 21. 3x is equal to 21. Sir, 3 multiplication में अब division में जाएगा, 21 divided 3x is equal to 7.
so the number, the find the number is what? The number is equal to 7. Write down the final statement, therefore the number is 7. As it is a worded problem, we will have to write down the final statement also. There is no need to verify because it is a worded problem. Verify अगर आपको करना है, आपका आंसर सही है या गलत है ये चेक करने के लिए आप वेरिफिकेशन कर सकते हो. Okay, is it clear to everyone? First one. Okay, next one. Okay, who will try the next question now? Yes, Arya, bolo. Arya Mirkad. Arya Mirkad, can you hear me? Okay, Palak, bolo आप.
Yes, sir. So the question is, a teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The
Yes, what happened, Palak?
sorry, sir. Sir, in this, it is a teacher tells class the highest marks is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So, sir, we don't know the lowest marks, so we will write it as x.
Let the lowest mark is equal to x. Okay, हाँ आगे.
Sir, it is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So, sir, we will twice the lowest marks. So, 2x.
Twice the lowest marks plus 7.
is equals to 2x plus 7.
And 7 will be equal to 2x plus 7. Okay.
So the highest score is 87. So we have to find the score. So 2x plus 7 is equals to 87.
Highest marks is equal to 87.
Yes, then 2x plus 7 is equals to 87.
Now, what is the relation between highest marks and lowest marks? One relation is given. Na?
Twice the
Yes. Highest
sir,
mark
here it is highest marks obtained by a student.
is equal to twice
The
the
lowest mark
lowest marks and
plus 7.
7. So 87 will be equal to 2x
2x
plus.
plus 7.
Okay. Now shift the variable terms on one side
The
and
2x, yes. So we will write 2x is equals to
we will keep this 2x on RHS only. Okay, we will shift the constant to LHS. So
okay,
87
87 minus 7.
so 80 will be equal
80
to,
is equals to 2x.
so x
So
will be,
x is equals to 280 upon 2.
so
X is equals to 40.
what is the lowest
So
marks
the
then?
lowest marks of the student is 40.
Therefore lowest marks is equal to 40.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear to you? Any doubt? Just 1 second. Huh? Okay, next one. Sorry for the interruption. Next is what? A number is multiplied by 3 and 7 is taken away from the product to get the answer as 11. Okay. So what is the number? We have to find that. Yes, bolo Lakshmi Nivas. Lakshmi Nivas. Bolo Om Jadov. Om Jadov. Om Jadov. My voice is coming to you or not? Okay, Palak, bolo. Others are not unmuting
Yes,
themselves.
sir.
Huh.
Sir, it is a number is multiplied by 3 and 7 is taken away from the product to get the answer 11. What is number? What is the number? So let the number be x.
Okay.
So here it is written a number is multiplied by 3. So x into 3.
A number is multiplied by 3. So it will become what? 3x.
Yes, 3x. and 7 also. And 7 is taken away from the product.
And 7 is taken away. Taken away का मीनिंग क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
Minus.
Correct. 7 is taken
So
away, so this will become 3x minus 7.
is equals to 11.
Okay. So what they have said, a number is
3x
multiplied by 3 and 7 is taken away from the product
taken
to
from the
get the
product to
answer.
get the answer 11. So
Okay.
3x minus 7
3x minus 7, it is equal to
is
11.
equals to 11. So 3x is equals to 11 plus 7.
Mhm.
3x is equals to 18. X is equals to 18 upon 3. X is equals to 6.
So what is the number?
The number is 6.
Therefore, the number is equal to 6. Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Yes, Akshara, bolo. Akshara. Lakshmi Nivas, bolo.
Yes, sir. A bag contains 25 paisa and 50 paisa coins. The number of 25 paisa coins is three times the number of 50 paisa coin. If the total money is rupees 50, find the number of coins of each type. So means we have to find rate, means how much quantity of 25 paisa is and 50 paisa is. So sir, 3 times 50 paisa coin will, hello,
Arya, bolo. Arya Mirkad. Arya,
Yes, sir.
हाँ
So the-
बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
A bag contains 25 paise and 50 paise coins. The number of 25 coins is 3 times the number of 50 paise coins. If the total money is rupees 50, find the number of coins of each type. So we will first write the equation. The 25 paisa are 3 times more than 50. So it will be 25 into 3x plus 50. 50x is equals to rupees 50.
Now pay attention, Arya. Number of 50 paisa coins are x. Okay. हमको
Yes,
यहाँ पे
sir.
स्टेटमेंट गिवन है, द नंबर ऑफ 25 पैसा कॉइन्स इज 3 टाइम्स द नंबर ऑफ 50 पैसा कॉइन्स. ओके, तो 50 पैसा कॉइन्स कितने क्वांटिटी में हमको पता नहीं है, वी हैव एज्यूम्ड इट एज x. सो नंबर ऑफ 25 पैसा कॉइन्स कितने हो जाएंगे, 3 गुना, दैट विल बी 3x. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what they have said, total amount, we are having how much total amount?
Rupees 50.
Correct. And rupees 50 is made by 25 paisa coins also, and
50 paisa also.
50 paisa coins also. Okay.
Yes,
अब-
sir.
ओके, तो टोटल अमाउंट हमारे पास है 50. हाँ, अभी 25 पैसा के कॉइन्स कितने हमारे पास?
25 paisa
3x. 3x. So 25 paisa in rupees, it can be written like this ना, 25 divided by 100. पैसे को रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा ना,
Yes,
क्योंकि यहाँ पे
sir.
टोटल अमाउंट हमारा रुपीस में है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3x.
Sir, in this, sir, we can't convert 50 into paisa, rupees 50 into paisa.
Yes, we can do that way also. You will get the same answer. Okay, so 50 upon 100, 50 पैसा इस वजह से, और 50 पैसा के कितने कॉइन्स है मेरे पास? x कॉइन्स है. हो गया इक्वेशन रेडी. So what is
X coins.
25 ones are 25, 4s are 50, ones are 52.
5 fours are
So 3x
50 ones are
upon
52
4
are.
plus x upon 2 it is equal to 50.
0.2.
Next we will do cross
Yes, sir.
multiplication here.
Sir, now
6x plus 4x
6x plus 4x.
upon 8, 4
50
4 2
upon
जा 8.
8.
ये 8 को
8.
इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे तो ये 50 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तो 50 इंटू 8 कितना होता है?
400.
और 6x plus 4x, this will become 10x.
10x.
400 which is equal to 10x. So x will be what? 400 divided by 10.
Upon
This 0 0
It is
cancel,
40.
x will come equal to 40. यानी नंबर ऑफ 50 पैसा के कॉइन्स कितने हैं मेरे पास? 40. तो मुझे
40.
25 पैसा के कितने कॉइन्स है बोलो अभी? 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय
120.
120, करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे आप फाइनल स्टेटमेंट लिखोगे, नंबर ऑफ
25
50 पैसा coins is equal to x is equal to 40.
40.
Okay. And number of 25 paisa coins
Is equals to 120.
is equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 40, which is equal to 120. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. You please try the next question.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Okay, next one. 45 students were to elect a monitor between Anil and Bhaskar. If Anil is polled 4 times as much as Bhaskar polled, how many votes did each get? Okay, so there is an election between two people. Which are the two people? अनिल एंड भास्कर, ये दोनों के बीच में इलेक्शन है. तो अभी स्टेटमेंट क्या बोल रहा है? अनिल को जो है 4 टाइम्स ज्यादा वोट मिले हैं किससे? भास्कर से. यानी भास्कर को कितने वोट मिले हमको पता है क्या? डू वी नो हाउ मेनी वोट्स डिड भास्कर गॉट? डू वी नो how many times the votes did Bhaskar got? No. So we will assume it as X. Okay. So first of all, we will write total number of votes. Total number of votes is equal to 45. Okay. So number of votes Bhaskar to Bhaskar is equal to X. तो मुझे बोलो नंबर ऑफ वोट्स टू अनिल कितने होंगे? टू अनिल हाउ मच इट विल बिकम? इट विल बिकम 4 टाइम्स ऑफ भास्कर, दैट मीन्स 4x. ओके. अभी देखो, ये है भास्कर के वोट्स, ये है अनिल के वोट्स. अगर ये दोनों वोट्स को मैं जोड़ दूंगा तो वो किसके बराबर आना चाहिए? 45 के बराबर आना चाहिए. ओके. सो देयरफॉर total votes is equal to votes of Bhaskar plus votes of अनिल. ओके. तो टोटल वोट्स हमारे पास है 45. वोट्स ऑफ भास्कर कितने हैं? यहाँ पे देखो x है, तो x प्लस 4x. 4x किसके हैं? अनिल के हैं. ओके. सो x plus 4x is how much? It is 5x. Okay. 5x, that is equal to 45. Now to get the value of x, what we will do? 45 divided by 5. So what will be the value of x? X will be equal to 9. यानी भास्कर को कितने वोट्स मिले हैं फिर? How much votes did Bhaskar got now? How much votes did Bhaskar got? भास्कर को मिला है 9 वोट्स और अनिल को मिला है 36 वोट्स. Okay, so write down the final statement. Number of votes to Bhaskar is equal to X, which is equal to 9, or number of votes to Anil is equal to 4x, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 9, that is equal to 36. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, next one. Who will try the next one? Yes, anyone? Akshara, can you try it?
Yes, sir. So the question is, Deepak, 10 round of a square, find the square side of a square if the total distance covered by him is 2560 meter.
Okay.
Sir, it means that Deepak has taken the 10 round of a square park. So we will find the perimeter of a square.
Correct.
So the perimeter is for side into side into side into side. It is 4 into A.
4 into A. Okay, you are taking the side as A. Okay. तो perimeter
Yes,
क्या
sir.
हो जाएगा? A plus A plus A,
A
4A हो
plus A
जाएगा.
plus. Yes.
Hmm.
So then we will consider that the side is X.
अभी A लिया, अभी आप X बोल रहे हो, हमने A लिया है ना already.
A. Yes, sir.
So therefore perimeter
Then
will be equal to what?
perimeter will be equal to, so
A
we will
plus A plus A plus A.
A.
So it will come 4A.
For
Okay.
A.
So one round में
Yes, sir.
कितना distance travel करेगा? Suppose he is starting from this point. A point से B जा रहा है, B से C जा रहा है, C से D जा रहा है, D से again he is coming back to A. This is my one complete round. So in one complete round he will cover 4A distance. Okay. So
4A
in
distance.
10 rounds, therefore 10 times of
10
perimeter. 10 times of perimeter
perimeter.
will be equal to 10 multiplied by 4A.
10 multiplied by 4A.
So this will become 40A.
40A.
And the 10 times of perimeter distance is given how much in the question?
2560 meter.
2560. Okay. Now we have to find the value
So
of
then
A.
we will do 2A is equal to 2560 upon 40.
0,
0 will get cut.
Uh,
Then we will divide 256 divided by 4. It is 64 centimeter.
64 centimeter. Therefore, the side of the square park is how much? Side of square will be equal to 64 centimeter. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, next one. I think so. Next question is not added in the PPT. Okay, we will continue it tomorrow. I have to add the next questions. You complete it till here only. Okay, today you will get the books, see the video and complete till question number 6. Okay.